There's nothing like enjoying dinner with your friends and family on special days. As such, fine dining events require modern cutleries to tastefully match up to your class. Your old cutleries may not come in handy to dazzle your favorite people in this case. Thereby, going after a beautiful yet useful set of flatware will certainly serve your purpose and match well with your existing crockeries for a fancy-looking dining arrangement. In today's video, we are going to talk about the best flatware set that will make your collection of dining essentials complete. So without further ado, let's check out the video.
At Kitchen Gadget Zone, we are food enthusiast people and love to play with different kitchen tools. We test, analyze, and research innovative kitchenware and gadgets to create a shopping guide for every category based on price, quality, feature, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice.
Do you want to take your dining experience a step further at home? The Radley and Stowe flatware set with a designer-grade material is here to make it happen for you as soon as you get it. Primarily, this set comes with 20 pieces of flatware, including 5 dinner spoons, 5 teaspoons, 5 dinner forks, and 5 salad forks that lets you complete your silverware collection. These flatware have perfect ergonomic shapes and a sleek design that helps you and your guests to use them conductively at home parties. In addition, their solid and durable construction makes them anti-rust and bend resistant, so you can use them without worrying about early rust or accidental bend. Are you worried about your little picky eaters wasting food at home? Worry no more, because the Berglander Flatware set will fascinate your kids to eat with these colorful silverware. This pretty looking set comes with 20 pieces of silverware, including dinner spoons, forks, and knives, which makes it quite a standard set for you to use favorably. These titanium plated rainbow colored cutleries are so visually appealing that your kids and adult guests will love using them regardless of age. Plus, the titanium coating actually prevents stains too. These showcase a timeless design and have an accurate size, which is appropriate for your formal or casual events indoors or outdoors. Without thinking twice, you should consider getting this beautifully colorful flatware set to display something eye-catchy in your silverware collection. If you've recently moved into a new home without your old cutleries, you need the casually and practically designed set of LIANYU Foodservice Flatware set. This set comes with 36 pieces of flatware, including variants of spoons, forks, and knives, so you get a whole package in just one set. Also, it is designed with a simple pattern with a well-polished body that will hold up to your everyday use constantly. This set is rust and stain resistant, which gives you the ease of cleaning them frequently without worrying about overuse. So you can avail yourself the chance to get a complete and basic set for your family and guests by going after this helpful flatware set. When you want your silverware with trendy color selections, you can go for the Artaste flatware set with a beautiful satin mirror finish. This set comes with 36 pieces of good-looking flatware that lets you use them on special occasions with family members. These flatware have a rain pattern with a shiny finish that makes your glass kitchen cabinet and dining table look attractive when you place them. As their handles have a good weight when you hold them, these save you from worrying about flimsy grip or sudden drop on the floor. Thus, you can simply take a look at this flatware set if you want a smooth satin finish and multiple color selection options to impress yourself along with your friends and family. Are you desperately searching for a huge silverware set for your home kitchen? Worry no more, as the Hiware silverware set can be the fitting answer to your solution. This set comes with 48 pieces of silverware, including dinner forks, salad forks, dinner knives, steak knives, dinner spoons, and teaspoons that can be placed on your kitchen cabinets wonderfully. As these are highly durable, rust and bend resistant, you won't have to worry about serving heavy food like sirloin steak or beef Wellington alongside these. These are mirror polished with convenient handles and have smooth edges, which will allow your guests to use them comfortably. Your need for a large and durable set of silverware can surely be met if you decide to choose this suitable flatware set to create a positive impression during dinner. Meet the elegant-looking Sharecook matte black flatware set to level up your home parties and create a grand dining impression in front of your family. This set comes with 20 pieces of durable flatware consisting of dessert forks, dessert spoons, dinner forks, dinner spoons, and dinner knives that can help your family to enjoy a complete meal with dessert nicely. These have a smoothly polished finish that improves the look of your kitchen cabinet with your existing cutleries, so you can experience great dining every time. This silverware set is dishwasher safe, which means you can wash them many times and use them for a long time. Do you want a flatware set with the most superior quality? Look no further and get the LIANYU Flatware cutlery set with complete quality assurance. This set comprises 20 pieces of dinner spoons, dinner forks, dinner knives, dessert forks, and teaspoons, which are perfect to use on your family lunches and dinners. These cutleries are durably constructed with premium stainless steel, which lets you use them for regular to occasional use for years to come. Its metallic finish protects your flatware from rusting, chipping, or color fading and gives you the ease of worrying less about quality. So if you're looking forward to enhancing your fine dining experience, you have to go for this classic flatware set that represents your amazing taste along with your knack for the finest quality. So that brings us to the end of our video about the best flatware sets. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our video and found it to be helpful, please do like, comment, and share this. And for future videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.